on Jobs and Careers video, we are sharing with you e-learning, and this in particular is all thanks to Skillsoft, which provides an e-learning product that serves as an excellent supplement when it comes to your overall practice exam preparation. So thanks to these e-learning modules, these products, you'll be able to prepare for these exams with complete ease. And here what we find is that across multiple vendors, there are these numerous preparatory tests that you can actually take up, and upon doing so you'll be able to give your best on these exams, and ultimately see you'll very well perform on the certifications for the certifications themselves, but then your end objective need not necessarily be the certification itself. Perhaps you genuinely want those skills which will in turn help you on the job. Maybe you're already on a job where you think rightly that once you have these certifications, these skills, you'll in turn be able to perform better. See, now in that regard, let's look at some of the benefits and some of the features of this particular set of e-learning modules from Transcender. See, firstly, they are a single user license, and what they do is they give you 1 full year of online access to these virtual courses, which feature, see, micro-sized learning, which is right at your fingertips, a redesigned interface which supports continuous learning. You have the ability to check your progress, and everything is cost effective as well as convenient, especially when it comes to access, and learning is both self-paced as well as flexible, so everything effectively works out in your favor. And see, like we mentioned, see, you will be able to master job skills even if certification on its own may not be the ultimate goal. There are so many of us folks, we are already well employed, well placed, and at the same time we know that such certifications will enhance our own knowledge, our own understanding, apart from the fact that yes, we will get a certification for our efforts as well. So that's something which we feel would be extremely beneficial for you when it comes to these kind of preparatory exams, tests, which have an ultimately they have a certification in line for you, but in that pursuit you'll be able to improve your knowledge and understanding much more. Now, see, when it comes to these e-learning products, as we mentioned, they are available across multiple IT sector vendors. So whether it's Oracle, whether it's Microsoft, Cisco, PMI, LPI, VMware, the works basically. Now let's look at Oracle alone. Oracle alone, you have all of these. You've got Oracle Database SQL Expert, you've got Oracle Database 11 new features for administrators, database administration, Java Standard Edition 6, and so on. Then if you look at Microsoft, there's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, advanced solutions for Microsoft Exchange Server, and so on. Again, this continues with so many of these different ones. Likewise, let's take Cisco. There's Cisco network devices, there's Cisco video network devices, Cisco network security, and much more. Then we can look at PMI, there's project management professional, certified associate in project management, and so on. Then let's look at VMware as well. So data center virtualization, network virtualization. So this gives you a very good perspective, very good background, good feeler for the kind of e-learning products that Transcender has on offer. With that background being shown to you, let's pick up one of these vendors. Let's say we pick up Microsoft, and within Microsoft, let's say we look at installing and configuring Windows 10, something rather basic. So once we get into that particular module, that particular e-learning course, then we get a good understanding. See, here it is. Microsoft quick review for 7698 MS Cert, installing and configuring Windows 10. What exactly will you learn? You'll study for your Microsoft 7698 certification exam with the tools that fit your preferred study method. And in this, what Transcender does, it offers individual study tools such as practice exam and Skillsoft e-learning to give you more options. Now let's look at the options. There's e-learning for 199 this is where the details are provided. What you learn to install and configure Windows 10. You'll be tested on the objectives, which include implementing Windows, configuring and supporting core services, as well as managing and maintaining Windows. In terms of technical info, everything is pretty simple. It's not nothing very complex, where whether it's your own technical expertise or the kind of machinery that you have, nothing very advanced is sought. Everything is basic to the extent that you'll be able to run these e-learning courses with complete ease. So this is just one of the many courses. If we go back, see, as we showed you, even within Microsoft there are all these different e-learning courses within. Let's take another vendor, which will again give you a very good feeler. So let's say we've taken Cisco, and let's take this one, implementing Cisco Secure Mobility Solutions, or CMOS. So let's get into that, and that in turn will give us a very good perspective. So see, this is Cisco quick review for 300-209, implementing Cisco Secure Mobility Solutions. Here what will you learn? You'll essentially be studying for your implementation of Cisco Secure Mobility Solutions. This is the 300-209 certification exam, and Skillsoft e-learning, as always, will be the one which will actually provide you with this e-learning course. So, and let's look at the price. We're looking at 309 for this, and here's everything that you get. What you get is 12.5 hours of online instruction, along with access to a live subject matter expert who will help you on your certification journey, and access to e-learning is 12 months. So you've got an entire year in which you'll have access to learning. And let's look at the course topics. You've got fundamentals of VPN technologies, deploying secure site-to-site connectivity solutions, part 1 and 2, deploying Cisco iOS site-to-site flex VPN solutions, deploying clientless SSL VPNs, clientless SSL VPNs, endpoint security, dynamic access policies, and finally deploying Cisco AnyConnect VPNs as well. Again, the technical requirements, whether your own skills or the machine that you have, everything would remain basic. So that essentially was the objective of this video, to share with you the fact that when it comes to e-learning, Transcender has a variety of different modules on offer across vendors. See, these are the most common vendors, the IT companies, for which these kind of courses typically are sought out by aspirants hoping to either enhance their career or get the certification which they wholeheartedly assume and presume and feel that will help them in their careers. So whatever be your pursuit across all of these companies, we do encourage you to go in for these e-learning courses from Transcender. We provided the direct link to this page in the description below this video. You can simply click on that, get to the same page, you can review all of this information, and once you've done that, you can choose your preferred vendor or set of vendors, and within that, the set of courses. We've shown you everything in this video. We've shown you the vendors, we've shown you the different courses that are there within each vendor. Let's go to Adobe. You've got Photoshop, Dreamweaver, InDesign, and Illustrator. So any of these, you pick and choose that particular course which will take you to that page. Everything is very clear in terms of the pricing, etc. So from there, you simply go from there, choose that, add to cart, and then you'll easily get on to that particular e-learning course or module with complete ease. That was the objective of this video. Good luck on your career. This will definitely help you